My name is Phil Serlin. I'm the CEO of BioLineRx Limited. We're a biopharmaceutical company located in the Tel Aviv area in Israel. We tried to look at the Chinese market on our own. We contacted, I think, maybe 150 or 200 Chinese companies somewhere between 2020 and 2022. We made some headway, but not very much. I think that we didn't really understand the market that well. It's a different culture. I think some things we understood differently as far as processes, as far as the intent of the other parties. And so at some point, we decided that we should really go and take a bank or a boutique bank that really understands the market. And we received Echo's name, MSQ's name, from a Chinese patent attorney that we used in Shanghai. And so we contacted her, and the rest is history, so to speak. You really have to quite, honestly say that I think that we feel MSQ's secret sauce is Echo herself. I think when Echo got involved in our engagement, the chances of success multiplied exponentially. She understands people. She's very strategic. I have nothing but superlatives to say about her. Overall, MSQ, again, we did a deal and it was successful, but I really think that, to tell you the truth, that Echo is really the secret sauce of MSQ from my perspective. I think that the level of strategic thought at Echo, from Echo's point of view, and the way she looked at things and how she always tried to figure out how the win-win for both sides. Generally, in these type of transactions, there's always several points of there's a crisis at some point. Somebody gets up and wants to walk away, or the deal isn't going to work out, or whatever. And in every instance, Echo was able to find the common ground between us and the counterparty, and was able to, whether it's using her, psychology or just her way of understanding people and the differences in the cultures, she was able to bridge the gap and really make a difference and keep both sides in the game, so to speak. And so I think that was maybe something that I didn't expect and was in a positive sense, very surprising. Echo is still even helping us in the transition stage, in the after transaction stage, of just because this is a partnership for a long time and there are other strategic things that could come out of it. And Echo is really helping us just navigate the communication even on an ongoing basis. That's also really important, obviously.